My name is Michael Haynes. I'm the owner of Armada Insurance Services in Central California. And this question of employee versus independent contractor, I see it pop up fairly frequently within the construction industry. Just as one example, one situation we had come up, we provided the workers' comp coverage for a landscaping company. And about midway through the policy year, we were having a discussion with the owner, and they mentioned that, oh, there's one individual, they're just going to pay them as an independent contractor. They're getting 1099. Well, as we continued that conversation, it became pretty clear, at least to me as the insurance agent, this is not an independent contractor. This is really more of an employee. Yes, they were being paid as a separate employer, a separate business, but they weren't advertising anywhere else. They weren't doing business for anyone else. In fact, most of the equipment, the tools they were using, were being provided by our insured. But of course, myself and the insured, we did not see this the same way. They were convinced, no, this is an independent contractor. I pay him and issue a 1099. So what could I do? Just encourage them to, here's the website, here's the information. Let's look up the labor code for our state and just really consider, does this individual meet the definition of independent contractor? And again, just stated, here's what I read. I think you might be in trouble here. So after a little bit of time, that insured, they went back and they actually ended up in this case coming back and going, no, you know what? This does not look like it's an independent contractor. So we made sure to include their payroll in with their workers' comp. And sure enough, just a couple months later, this same individual ended up coming back having a paid workers' comp claim. And because we had that discussion, of course, the claim is paid and it had a minimal impact on the audit. So having those conversations really proved beneficial in this case.